So now let us see what is the history of C language and how the C language works. So C language is developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. He is the sole author who developed the C language, and this was developed at Bell Laboratories in New Jersey in America. So before C language there is a language called B language, and C language is called the successor of B language. Why did they invent the C language? C language is discovered to write the kernel of UNIX operating system, and this C language is called as system programming language, and this language is standardized in 1989 by ANSI. So these are the main points regarding C language. Now let us see how this C language works. So if I'm writing my first program in C language, now how my computer executes that program? It is being executed with the help of a compiler. So my program will be in C language, and what does this compiler do? It compiles it into an object code or a machine code. What is an object code or a machine code? It is nothing but a binary language. So now let's see what is the low level language and what is a high level language. Low level language is again categorized into machine level language and assembly level language. Machine level language is nothing but binary digits, that is 0 and 1. What is an assembly level language? This language is specifically designed based on the architecture of the computer. Suppose my computer is having different architecture and your computer is having different architecture. So assembly level language is used in such cases. So designed specifically for specific architectures of computer. Now let's see what is a high level language. High level languages are nothing but they are not dependent on machines, which means this language is not a machine dependent language. And what does this language deal with? It deals with variables, functions, numbers, alphabets, etc. You'll get to know what is a variable, what is a function, what is a number, and what is an alphabet in the coming videos. This language is easily understandable by the human being. Human beings cannot understand what exactly a binary language is because it is nothing but a combination of zeros and ones, whereas a computer can understand it. And similarly, computer cannot understand this high level language, whereas it can understand that binary level language. Compiler and interpreter converts the code written in high level language to the machine code or the object code. Suppose I am writing some code and 2 to 3 lines of code, and this 2 to 3 lines of code is written in high level language. So what does this compiler do? It converts into the combination of zeros or ones. So this is called as binary level language, which is understandable by the computer.